In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SEO Minion to Chrome. SEO Minion is a free extension that speeds up on-page checks like titles, headings, and links right inside your browser. In a couple of minutes, you'll install it, pin it for quick access, and open it on a page. For best results, use Google Chrome on a computer. If you want the extension to sync to other devices later, make sure you're signed in to the right Chrome profile. Start by opening the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it in Google and click the official result or open it from a bookmark. When the store loads, you'll see a search bar and a list of categories. This is Chrome's trusted marketplace, so anything you install here is delivered and updated through Google's system, keeping the extension current. In the store's search box, type SEO Minion and press enter. Look for the listing that mentions on-page SEO analysis and similar tools, then click it to open the details page. Take a quick look at the rating, user count, and screenshots to confirm you've got the right extension and to preview what it does. Matching the icon and checking the publisher name helps you avoid lookalikes. On the details page, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will appear outlining the permissions the extension needs to analyze the pages you visit. Review them, then click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically. Within a few seconds, you should see a brief notification confirming that SEO Minion has been added to your browser. If you prefer to adjust where it works later, you can manage site access in Chrome's extension settings. To keep it handy, click the extensions icon in the top right of Chrome, the puzzle piece. In the menu that opens, find SEO Minion and click the pin icon. Pinning places its icon on your toolbar so it's always one click away, which is especially helpful when you're reviewing multiple pages in a row. Now try it out. Open any web page you want to review, then click the SEO Minion icon on your toolbar. A panel will open with tools to inspect titles and meta tags, highlight headings, analyze links, and more. Click through the options to see quick, actionable information without leaving the page. That's it. SEO Minion is installed, pinned, and ready to help streamline your on-page SEO workflow. Enjoy optimizing.